Good morning students. Today we are going to start data handling. It's chapter number 19, that is statics. Now what is first of all, what is a data? It is the data can be about a population's birth, death, temperature of the place during a week, etc. Now what is a raw data? When some data is collected in original forms, means it is not in ascending order or not in descending order, it's called the raw data. Observation: each numerical figures, means each numerical which is in the form of counting number is given, that given data is called an observations array. When the data which can be arranged either in ascending form or descending form, it is called the array. Range is what? Difference between the highest and lowest value of observations, means which data is given, its highest and lowest values subtractions is called the range. Now frequency distribution table is that when there is a marks and frequency are given, and we can write it as in a tally mark. It is clear in when we do some sums. Now come on a first sum of exercise. Arrange the following data as a array. Now array is what? It is in when the data is given and we should be kept in ascending order or descending order. Now there is a 25, 29, 2, 6, 9. This is the data, and we are going to take it in ascending order. 1, first of all 1, after that 2, after that 6, 9, 10, 12, up to so on. Second question is, the weight of 25 students of class 8th are given below. Represent the data in the form of frequency distribution table. Now first step is what? First of all, we have to arrange the data either in ascending order or descending order. See, here I kept the data in ascending order, means first of all 30, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 30 is there. 4 and 5 times 30. After that 32 is 2 times, 34 is 3 times, up to so on. Now here you can write it the entries name, that is 30, 32, 34, 37, 39, 40. Here we have to write the tally mark. Now how we write the tally mark? There is how many times is 30 occur? It occur in 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to take the 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5th line after cross after like this. It means 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5th line is like this. And what is the frequency? Frequency is a 5. Now 32 is occurring on 2 time, so there is 2 lines. 34 is 3 time, 3 lines. 37 is 2 time, and 39 is 2 time. 40 is 3 time. Similarly you can write the data. And third and fourth question are similar. See fifth questions when the intervals are given, like 0 to 9, 10 to 19, 20 to 19 from a frequency distribution table. First of all, we have to collect the data between 0 to 9, means that data which is start from 0 and end with 9. Now there is 0 and 2, 5, 8, like this. 8 you collect and count it and write it in a frequency. Okay, 0 to 9 there is a 5 number, and we write it tally mark like this. 10 to 19 is 7 number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up to so on. You can arrange the data in a serial order. Now come students on 19.3, that is a mean, mode, median. Now first of all I will tell you about a mean. Mean is, we denote a mean by x bar, and its formula is sum of all observations over total number of observation. Or if data is in a grouped form, means if x or frequency are given, then we apply the formula summation of fi xi over summation of fi. See, I tell you related to the questions of mean. Like first question, find the mean of number 28, 63, 95, 42, 50 and 76. Now what is we need to find the mean is denoted by x bar, which is sum of observation, means these are the observation and we add these terms. Okay, so 28 plus 63 plus 95, 42, 50 and 60, 76, we take a sum of these observation over total number of observations, means how many numbers, 1 2 3 4 5 6, that there is a 6, and after adding these observations we get 354 over 6, which is equals to 59. Now second question is very simple. Find the mean of first 5 natural number. Natural number are starting from 1 and 2 3 4 5. You should add it plus divide by 5. You can solve it. Now see question number third. Find y if mean of 1.6, 3.5, 4.8, 11 and y is 5. So here you have to solve 1 plus 6 plus 3.5, 4.8, 11 and one entry is y, and mean is given. What is given? Mean is given. In this statement, in the previous questions we have to find the mean. In this statement the mean is given. After solve these equations, there is a 5 is equals to addition these terms, 26.3 plus y over 6, and we get 30 is equals to 26.3 plus y, and we get the y's value is 3 point something. Now come on, fourth question is very easy, you can solve it, is similar to third question. Now come on, fifth question. If the mean of x plus 1, x plus 3, x plus 4, x plus 5 is 25. Now again with what is given, 25 is mean is given. So x bar is equals to sum of observation over number of observation. Now mean is what? That is 25, and we put here entries x plus 1, x plus 3, x plus 4, x plus 1, and add all the terms, and we get 5x plus 15 over 5. After solve these equations we get x is equals to 110 by 5, which is equals to 22. It's very easy. When you solve it, you understood all these things. Now see, sixth question is very easy. Add these all terms and divided by 50, because there is out of 50. Now question number 7. Find the mean weight of 48 girls from the following questions. It's literally different. Here x is given and frequency is given. See statement 40, 42, 34 up to so on, and this is the x and this is the frequency. Now what is the next step? When the data is in a grouped form, we have to xi multiply. We need xi fi. So multiply these both terms. 40 multiply 6, 240. 42 multiply 6 is 252. 34 multiply 15 is 510. 36 multiply 14 is 504. 46 multiply 7 is 322. After, what is the formula of when the data is in a grouped form? That is summation of xi fi over summation of fi. Now add these whole terms and we get, after solve we get a 38.08. Now come on students, again median. When we needs to find median is a middle term, right? When we have to find the median, must remember first of all arrange the data in either in ascending order or descending order. In a mean, no needs to arrange the data in ascending or descending order, but in median first of all arrange the data in ascending or descending order. After that we see second thing, if an observation is odd, then median is n plus 1 by 2th term. If n is even, then median is n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term over 2. I clear to you with the example. Here is a find the median. See, find the median of the following terms of a person in a society. These are a data given. First of all, arrange in ascending order. Okay, I arrange it in ascending order 1 1 2 2 3 3 up to so on. This is basically a n. Count how many n's are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. That is 22, right? N is a 22. Now 22 is even, so n is even. Then the formula is n by 2th term plus n by 2th plus 1th term. Means 22 is n, 22 by 2 is 11th term. 22 by 2 plus 11 means 12th term. Now here 11th term is 5. Here 11 term is 5 and next 12 term is also be 5. Now put 5 plus 5 over 2 is equals to 10. This is your answer. Now last one is mode. Mode, how to find the mode? Mode is a maximum number of items, means that thing which occur a maximum time. Suppose this is a data, you see 1 is occurring 1 time, 2 is 2 time, 3 is 2 time, 4 is 4 time, 5 is 1 time, 6 is, so what is a mode? Mode is 4 because 4 is occurring maximum time. So see, this is a question number, you can arrange the data at which see there is 3 is occurring 2 time, 5 is 2 time, so 2 is occurring 3 times. So what is the mode? Mode is a 3. Now in 11th question, this is X, this is F. Now which one is a more time occur? You have whose frequency is more, that is a mode. Now see, frequency 17 is more, so its mode value is 45. With this your exercise is complete. So try to solve these all questions on your copies. Thank you and have a nice day.